CISSP Domain 1 Security and Risk Management. CISSP Domain 1 establishes the foundational principles of cybersecurity governance, risk management, and compliance. It focuses on aligning security with business objectives while ensuring legal, ethical, and regulatory requirements are met. This domain emphasizes leadership responsibilities, organizational policies, and risk-based decision-making, making it critical for senior security professionals and CISOs. Security governance principles. Establish a security governance framework aligned with business goals and strategy. Define roles and responsibility for accountability across the organization. Develop and enforce security policies, standards, procedures, and guidelines. And ensure executive support and oversight for security initiatives. Compliance and legal considerations. Understand laws, regulations, and industry standards like GDPR and HIPAA, among others. Address contractual and regulatory requirements affecting data protection. Ensure compliance with intellectual property, IP, laws and licensing. Recognize cross-border data transfer risks and jurisdictional issues. Risk management concepts. Identify and evaluate risk using qualitative and quantitative methods. Apply risk response strategies such as mitigate, transfer, accept, or avoid. Understand key metrics such as SLE, ALE, and ARO. Conduct risk assessments and continuous monitoring. In terms of security awareness and training, develop security education, training, and awareness programs. Promote a security-first culture across all departments. Tailor training based on user roles. Tailor training based on user roles and responsibilities. And measure effectiveness through phishing simulations and assessments. Regarding business continuity and disaster recovery, BCP and DRP, perform a business impact analysis, BIA, to identify critical processes, define recovery time objective, RTO, and recovery point objective, RPO, implement and test continuity and recovery plans regularly, and ensure resilience and availability of critical systems. Regarding professional ethics, the ISC Code of Ethics protect society, the common good, and infrastructure, act with honesty, integrity, and professionalism, provide competent service to stakeholders. Again, that was provide competent service to stakeholders and advance and protect the cybersecurity profession. Regarding threat modeling and risk analysis, identify threat actors, vulnerabilities, and attack vectors. Use models like STRIDE, DREAD, and PASTA. Assess likelihood and impact of threats, and integrate threat modeling into secure design processes. Regarding third-party and supply chain risk management, evaluate vendor security posture and risk exposure, establish security requirements in contracts and SLAs, perform due diligence and ongoing monitoring, and address risks from outsourcing and cloud providers. And finally, this domain will cover key security concepts such as the CIA triad and beyond, confidentiality to protect data from unauthorized access, integrity to ensure that to ensure data accuracy and trustworthiness, availability, to ensure systems and data are accessible when needed, and 4, among other topics, extend to authenticity and non-repudiation for a stronger assurance. This domain is heavily tested in the CISSP exam and requires both conceptual understanding and practical application in real-world governance and risk scenarios.